Hello, my lovely family and friends. A warm welcome back to my channel as always. Oh yeah, it's a very pleasant day, I tell you. It's so sunny today and I'm feeling good. I hope you're all feeling good too. I hope you're doing well. And I guess you know why I'm feeling good, because plantain day, I love cocoa, especially when you turn into Kelewele. Hey, Kelewele, or the meduro. Yay! Delicious. I want to share with you this delicious recipe. Okay, it's my kelewele and fried chicken. Is it fried chicken? Chicken recipe. I will show you how I do this. Now, so mama, me small time wine, small time. So we start by marinating our chicken. Okay, so here I have chicken seasoning, I have peri-peri seasoning, I have chili flakes, I have black pepper, and then a little salt to taste. This is very simple. Dry rub with my fan of fire and I'm mayo. So I'll just put it all together, and then I have my chicken. So I have chicken niblets and I have chicken wings. Okay, so the niblets are the that part of the wings that looks like the chicken and drumstick, Okay, so yes, I'm going to put it in a Ziploc bag, all of it. Okay, and then I will sprinkle some olive oil. So here is it. It's extra virgin olive oil. So I'm going to about a tablespoonful onto my chicken. Okay, then I lock it. I zip my bag. Okay, and then I sort of turn it around, massage it so that the oil will coat the entire chicken. That way, when you add your dry rub, okay, your dry ingredients, it will stick to the skin of the chicken. Okay, so yeah, I've poured that one in and I'm locking it again. Okay, or I'm zipping it to lock again because it's a zip lock. So what I'm doing is I'm massaging it, and here I'm just releasing some of the air so that it doesn't become like a balloon. Otherwise it's difficult to sort of massage. Okay, so yeah, I've massaged it nicely, and this is it. I'm going to put it in the freezer. Okay, so here is my plantain, and then I have my spices for my kelewele, right? Okay, so we are ready. I've washed the plantain nicely. I'm adding my ginger. Okay, my chili flakes. Okay, then I have winter, which is Grains of Selim. Okay, then I have cloves, right, over the cloves to add to it, and then I have something else I can't see, black pepper, okay, to add to it, then my salt to taste. Okay, so yeah, we put that all together, and then I'm going to add some water to it, and I'm going to blend it to a very nice paste, right? Okay, so just a little bit of water, not too much water. Okay, I'm going to give it a blend, or I'm going to blend it, no, right? And that is how it looks. Okay, so this is what we'll be using to marinate our plantain. Okay, so we got a very soft plantain. I bought this from the shop. It was nice and hard and ripe, but I left it for a week to soften a bit so that my kelewele will be succulent. Yeah, so yeah, I'm cutting it into these slices. Okay, so what I do is I cut one, I top and tail one plantain, and then I slice it into two lengthwise, and then I slice it the way you see me do. This one, I don't know how to say it in English, so yeah, that is me cutting it. So if you just follow this, you can actually remove the whole plantain from the skin and put it on a chopping board and cut it. You can cut it in squares, you can cut it however you want, but make sure they are small pieces as you see me. Okay, so yeah, I'll cut all of it because it's our dinner for the whole family of 5. Okay, adults mienu, semi-adult baku, then children below 11 So even the children at 11, okay, did you? I have no idea. So yeah, so that is my plantain all cut, and then I'm adding just 2 tablespoons of that. Seriously, it looks like 2 tablespoons. So it is 2 tablespoons because I was first now my man in kitten. Yeah. So yeah, so I just tossed it around. I didn't put my finger in. You can wear gloves and put your finger in because it is very hot. If you use your hands, and I set it aside, and I've brought my chicken out. So this chicken was done the day before. Okay, so today is today, Ankasa. So we are going to air fry our chicken. Yeah, you can actually fry it in oil if you want. You can put it in the oven if you want. But what my mind is telling me that too much oil. I'm going to fry my kelewele. Okay, so if I'm going to fry my kelewele, I shouldn't fry my chicken in oil. So I'm air frying it so that it's in my head and healthy. Okay, otherwise you can put it in your oven so that it is also healthy, right? So my chicken has been in for like 15 minutes, and I've taken it out to turn it. Okay, turn the other side so that that side can cook. But I'm going to air fry. I think it circulates, so I shouldn't have to do that. But in this case, I did it. I don't know why. So here, my oil has been on for a while and it's hot. You can see it's really hot. So I am frying. We are frying. It is the easiest, most delicious dinner ever. Because a dinner, I'm not saying there was coke and malt. Choose your choice. No maguso, no akoda, menu aduane biom. Ade mo na mo me na me sorry, manu aduane ano mo te ho na menu aduane mamudi. Easy recipe. Kelewele and chicken. Charlie, my family loves it too. Your family will love it. Charlie, mope. Hey, I mind Canada devil baby what? It appears like me can't fear too much. I'm raving about this food too much. But Charlie, the food is nice. Hey, that chicken is so hot, and the kelewele too is hot. I feel sorry for my little girl. She was like, Mommy, everything is hot. You have to be an expert in eating chili. Now, Ghana, when we're growing up, Charlie, she had to eat it. It was so good. She forgot about the spiciness of the food. So yeah, the chicken is done, and our kelewele too. Look at that. Look at how beautiful that looks, Charlie. Tell me this is not beautiful. Look at that. Nice and golden, delicious. Absolutely delicious. Trust me. It was to die for. Okay. So yeah, so we scoop our kelewele onto a cloth. This is all-purpose cloth, which will soak up the oil a little bit. You can put it on a kitchen towel. Okay. So that mistake will be a more be a cast orange me. Kitchen, no offend chicken no offend kitchen. Obi this kind of mistake be enya me nko nti mama me nye free edien. Brofo kakra beka. Anyway, so yeah, that is the second one going in, but I'm not going to show it. So this is it. Here I'm serving myself. I was surprised. This is all I ate. But the chicken there, I went for rounds. But the kelewele Indian one I have a problem. You need anywhere, menu no my bread. Timmy di bebre. And obi anso so no be aduane na mama. Nti amama aduane di akofam nti it is a problem. A problem, mommy. Somebody should give me the solution. Say I will cook my own food and I'll eat it there the same day. And eat a lot, mommy. Who buy me? Please comment down. Give me solution. So that is our kelewele and chicken done. Very delicious. I hope you give it a try. Okay. And thank you for coming to listen to my nonsense. Okay. So it's not all that nonsense. It's very useful information. I tell you, delicious recipe. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, okay, and share. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.